Welcome to Texas Law Encounters, your home for raw police footage. Consider subscribing to the channel if you want to see more police interactions and become a member to support our work directly. Remember, all suspects are innocent until proven guilty. And as always, enjoy the video. On January 4th, 2023, officers with the Harris County Sheriff's Office were working alongside a DEA strike force for a narcotics investigation. Officers were conducting surveillance outside an Econo Lodge when they witnessed a man get into a vehicle and drive off. Officers pulled over the vehicle for failing to stop at flashing red lights and would find some interesting things in the car a bit later on.
Say, man, go ahead and turn that engine off. Turn that engine off. Turn off the engine. Put the keys on top of the car. Put the keys on top of the car. You the driver, you step out real slow. Keep your hands where I can see them. Passenger, do not get out that car, whatever you do. Step out that car with your hands, both your hands where I can see them, both of them. Put the other one out where I can see it. I don't give a shit. What did I just say? Back up. Back up, turn around, back up. Slowly, back up, and back up. Get down. Go ahead, get down. Do not fucking move. Go ahead, get that dude. Go ahead. You ain't getting out. You got him?
Got him. I got you. Don't go anywhere from where you at. Anybody else in that car? Okay. Hang tight, man.
You got anything on you that can hurt me?
No, sir.
Give me your hand.
Sending body worn down in 20 seconds. Sending body worn down in 15 seconds. Sending body worn down in 10 seconds.
What's going on, sir?
Sending body worn down in 5 seconds.
Go to the side.
Body worn down canceled.
Go to the side. What's going on? Hold on 1 second. All right. What you got in your pants, man? Right there, sir. Step back. What's going on, sir? What you need, you to sit in my back seat. Yes, sir. Can you tell me what's going on, please? You about to find out in a minute. Sit in my back seat.
Okay. Am I going to jail?
I don't know. As long as you cooperate, we ain't got no problem.
Okay. We got it, bud. All right, right there. You got anything on you still, sir? Okay, there's some people right in front of us. What's your name? Brian. Brian, good. There you go. That's in my house. Let's keep him over here. I was have a seat, Pumpula.
What's your 6 insurance?
Alright, do me one favor, kick your shoes off.
Okay.
Alright.
You good? What's going on, bro?
What's going on, man?
How you doing?
Okay. My name's Dan. I'm with the Sheriff's Office. I'm also with the Crime Reduction Unit, okay?
Okay.
What happened today?
Well,
Well, I,
I I went to the grocery store, grab a couple things, and then my friend called me that he needed a ride because he needed to check out from the hotel. So I went to pick him up, and then I was dropping him off. I had to stay with his parents.
Driver and passenger.
I got you. You're just going to drop him off over his parents?
Yeah, I was going to stop by here and grab a beer.
I got you, bro. I got you. Oh, you were going to stop right here and just grab your beer?
Yeah.
I got you. So this is your car?
It's my wife's car.
That's your wife's car?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Be straight with me, bro. When's the last time someone smoked in that car?
Like marijuana? I'm not.
Because I see the little joint in the ashtray, right?
She smokes hers.
That's hers?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. So there's not going to be anything in that car?
No. The backpack is his.
The backpack is his?
Yes, sir. It's in the passenger seat. It's his.
Did he tell you there was something in the backpack or what?
I'm sure there is.
Why do you say that?
Because what he does.
What does he do?
He sells drugs.
He sells drugs?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
45 seconds. Disregard any other unit. We're under control. No more records.
You know what he sells?
No markers on Jackrabbit. I'm not sure exactly what he sells.
Okay. Okay. All right. So I'm telling you right now, I already have enough to get in the car, but I want to see how cooperative and how cool you can be. All right. The fact of the matter is this. Okay. There's a faint odor of marijuana in the car. I can see a burnt blunt in the ashtray. Okay. All right. So all I'm trying to do is just see how honest you're going to be with me. Okay. All right. You've got a couple of white flecks around your face. Did you eat something before we got stopped or what?
No, my mouth is just dry.
No, that's not dry. Those are flakes. So I'm asking for honesty from you, bro. If you tossed something in your mouth before we pulled you over.
No, sir.
Okay, all right.
See, it's submit evidence. Target 21-505 Tomo Parkway.
Hang tight, okay?
Although Mark took that early turn.
What's up?
I got a question.
I got you, bro.
Why'd y'all make us get out like that?
To be honest with you, I wasn't here, right? You saw me pull up last,
okay,
right?
Okay, yeah, my bad.
So I'll be honest with you, bro. I don't know.
Like, for a reason, I feel like they probably confused us with something because when we were at the light over there was like a car like literally went like right there. We were waiting for that green light and it just went like around us, like they were behind us and it just went around us like fast. And then my friend's like, oh, he's about to get pulled over, and they went inside that first entrance and then y'all pulled us over. I don't know. I was just wondering, like, because y'all pulled us out from the car with the guns.
I didn't pull you out from the car, man.
Oh, okay,
I didn't even get a chance to even talk with you, bro.
Yeah, the way y'all did how y'all call it, how y'all basically like made us. You know, I've been through a situation like that when I've been like with a lot of friends.
With like high risk stops and shit.
Yeah, you seen like how y'all take your hands out.
Yeah. I don't know, man. Maybe because he saw something he didn't like and he just wanted to make sure that he was safe. You know what I'm saying? Because he by himself, man. You know what I'm saying?
I understand. Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? He don't know you, right?
Yeah, no, I understand.
So that's kind of how it rolls, man. If he saw something he didn't like and he's just like, no, just everybody get out of the car. There's probably a reason why. You know what I'm saying?
Confused or something? Because like I said, there's a car that I guess that's why they live. It looked like they're looking for somebody or something.
I got you, bro. I got you. Okay.
Yeah, no.
Say, what happened today?
Nothing. I'm barely about to go home.
Where you come from?
I stayed at this hotel last night. I was with this girl and stuff. And he was at Walmart, literally down the street from where I was at. So he picked me up.
I got you.
Yeah, he was dropping me back off home and stuff.
He was gonna pick you up and drop you off home?
No, he was dropping me off home already.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he picked me up at the hotel that I stayed at.
Which one did you stay at?
Right there at the Econo Lodge.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, on 529. Yeah, I was right there.
I got you, man. I got you.
Yeah, a few hours. And he picked me up and stuff. Cause I got no car, you know. So I'd be like, I didn't want to be lifting today because I did spend a lot of money on that lifting at the hotel last night.
So here's the deal, man.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just based off what we did here, I mean, I rolled up on it kind of in the center, okay? I just went up there and looked at the car, make sure everything was square, there ain't nothing there was going to hurt us and nothing like that. And I just noticed that in the ashtray, looks like there's a burnt blunt. He's told me that people smoked weed in there before. There's a slight odor of marijuana coming from inside the car.
And the ashtray, I'm pretty sure he got, like, it's not my car. It's, you know, he picked me up, I don't know. But I'm pretty sure there's ashtrays there. I mean, whatever you say you saw. Okay. I know I saw a lot of cigarette butts.
There's a little blunt sitting on top.
Oh, okay.
Like a burnt blunt.
Yeah, we weren't smoking. We're on the way here. But
I got you, man. I got you.
Yeah, but other than that, I mean, like I said, I don't know if he picked me up.
I got you, man. Is anything inside of that car yours?
No.
Nothing's inside of the car yours?
If
you didn't come out with a bag or nothing like that when you left the hotel?
Sir. Can you check my my pockets?
Yeah, what you got?
I don't know if I got my phone there. That's the only thing that I feel like I'll probably stick that right down the side.
Got your little phone charger?
Oh yeah, my phone charger.
I got you.
I think my phone's there.
No, I ain't got no phone there, bro.
Oh, I probably dropped it there.
That's probably in there, right?
Yeah, it's probably in the car.
Okay. So you're telling me that nothing in there is yours?
No, nothing's there.
But you stayed at a hotel last night, right?
Yeah, I stayed at the hotel. It was a little, you know what I'm saying, like type quickie stuff.
Oh, I got you. So you rolled in there with the same clothes you got on?
Yes, sir. I got shorts under, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, I got you, bro. I got you.
basketball shorts and stuff.
All right.
Basically, I went home last night, like around what time? I got there by like at 12-ish. And then I went back over there to the hotel. And I was there till what, like, really till, like, they kicked me out, really. Because I didn't have no money to pay for it. Like I said, I don't got nothing. I didn't even got my debit card or nothing, so I couldn't even pay.
I got you.
I had left, and I'm back again.
45 and 12. You can send me that evidence.
All right, bro. Hang tight for me, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, man. So here's the deal, okay? All right. Because of that faint odor of marijuana, because of the fact that I see the burnt blunt that's in the ashtray, right? Okay. All right. I'm gonna go through the car. The way that I work is with honesty, okay? All right. If you're upfront and honest with me and cool with me, and we have a complete understanding, then there shouldn't be an issue, right? Okay. All right. So I want you to be honest with me, bro. Is there anything inside that car I'm gonna find?
Besides the backpack, there is a pipe.
There's a pipe?
Yeah.
A weed pipe or what?
No.
A meth pipe?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Where's the meth pipe at?
It's in the baby seat.
Is it where?
In the baby seat.
In the baby seat?
Yes, sir.
Please don't tell me you putting that shit in the baby seat, bro. Did you try and hide that because he was pulling you over? Or what?
45 and 12. You sent me that glass to make evidence on salon.
You got kids, bro?
I have a son, yes, sir.
You smoke meth because you got kids? You got kids too?
I do have a son.
Okay, man, that shit kills people, bro. I don't know how long you been smoking.
Not long.
I was about to say you don't look like you've been smoking that long, bro.
No, sir.
I do this shit for a living. Okay, all right. So there's a meth pipe in there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. Nothing else in there that I need to be concerned about.
No, sir.
Okay, the backpack is not yours, is what you're telling me, right? So he would have no reason to tell me that it's your backpack, right?
No, sir.
Okay. And when I go through the backpack, I'm not gonna find anything with your name on it, right?
No, sir.
Okay. All right.
What's his fucking problem?
All right, bro. So here's the deal. Okay. All right. I've already talked with him. He's been straight and honest with me. He's been cool with me. Okay. All right. All I'm looking for is the same honesty from you that I got from him. Okay. All right. So here's the deal. I'm gonna go through the car.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Understood.
All right. What am I gonna find in that car?
I'm not so sure, but man, I don't want to. Man, that's my boy, though. That's my boy. I can go over him and shit, but I don't know. He did like told me to like lift my seat or lift your seat up. I don't know what he done. He probably stashed something. I don't know if he told you that part. You know, I just don't want to. I'm on probation, you know.
Okay.
I don't want to. I'm not even supposed to be like, right. You know, but he did tell me like in your.
So real quick, there is a backpack that's on the floorboard where you were sitting. Okay.
Yes,
all right. Is that your backpack?
No, sir.
Okay.
He had told me too, like, you know.
He told you what?
To hand it to him too, like, you know what I'm saying? Like whenever I would leave my seat, because I was leaning like this, and then he's like, lean forward. So I leaned forward, and then he reached. I want to say he reached under my seat.
You want to say he reached under your seat?
Like he put something, but I'm not so sure.
Okay.
And then whenever like I lifted up, that's when he told me like, pass me the bag, and I was like, so I stepped in it. You can probably see that like it's pushed in, like I don't know.
You don't know what kind of bag it was?
It looked like a big bag. I don't know. It felt kind of like hard when I pushed it like that. It felt like.
Was it the backpack or what?
I guess so. I'm not so sure. It was in the front. It was like a big. Yeah, it was. That's what it had to be. The backpack. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Appreciate you. All right. All right, Brian. So here's the deal. Before I ask you any more questions, I'm going to tell you this. Okay. All right. Listen to me.
Yes, sir.
All right. So you have the right to you have the right to hire an attorney. Right?
Yes, sir. Understood.
You also have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. You have the right to have an attorney prior or during any questioning. If you can afford one will be appointed to you by a court of law. Do you understand that? Okay.
Understood.
You also have the right to terminate this interview at any time. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay. So Here's the deal, man.
Yes, sir.
You can already tell that I'm not on you by happenstance, right?
No, I understand.
You got that? Okay.
Yeah,
We're out here conducting an investigation. You already see all these people walking around in plain clothes, all that kind of stuff. It ain't no secret, okay?
No,
all
I figured like I don't about me.
But I'm not saying you.
Oh, I'm about to say like what was.
I'm just saying you think that we just rolled up on you. I mean, we're doing our work, right?
No, I understand that. I understand that.
So here's the deal, okay? I'm gonna have a deputy go back to the hotel that you came from, the Econo Lodge on Highway 6, which you told me, right? Or on 529, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right, and I'm gonna have them play the video back, right?
Thank you.
I'm gonna have them play the video back, right?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
And if I see you with that backpack, you're bought and paid for, bro.
Yes, sir. I understand, boss man. Appreciate you for that. Look out for real. Appreciate you. Like, for real. Appreciate that. Like, because, man, hell nah. I can't go to jail for this shit. Hell nah, man. Thank you, man. For real that you want to do that.
I'm really concerned that you think that I haven't already done that.
No, I understand, boss man. And I appreciate you for real, man, because, like, nah, man.
Hey, get this, bro. Okay?
Yes, sir. I understand.
Honesty goes a long way with
No, I know.
and I'm gonna tell you right now.
You know
okay,
what?
you're already bullshitting me.
No, I'm not, boss man. I'm not bullshitting you or nothing, because you know what? I know how he went, bro. I didn't have take no backpack with me nowhere.
Did he get out of the car?
No. I went walking to his car.
I got you.
I went walking to his car.
With nothing in your hands.
He was parked by the front.
With nothing in your hands.
Nothing in my hand, boss man. The only thing I had was my charger and I
guess what, bro? Guess what?
What I have in my hand.
What I just told you that I was gonna do, I already had people do. So you already lied to me.
I'm not lying to you, boss man. I'm not.
I've got video of you, bro.
Okay, boss man, I understand you saying that, but if you really got the video, you're gonna see me with no backpack, boss man. I got off and I told him, bro, text me when you're outside. He's like, out. So I went outside and he wasn't where I told him. He was parked over there by the front office. So that's when he came back, and I got down and I got in his car. We were good. Everything was good. We were chatting and everything, you know. So then whenever all this happened, that's whenever he started acting all funny with me, you know. And he's like, hey, put your seat up, and I'm like, okay. So that's what he.
Well, here's the deal, bro. If you want to keep, if you want to keep sticking to your story, man, then that's fine. But I want to see if you're gonna be straight with me, because I'm telling you right now, you're not being honest.
I'm being straight up, look, boss man. I'm not gonna lie to you, boss man. I'm being straight up with you, like, for real, man. I did not have nothing to do with that backpack. When he told me to like to grab it, that's my first reaction. I couldn't reach back there and like, you know, but he did. I promise you, boss man. I'm not lying to you. He did.
Okay.
Tell me to,
Guess what? Everything he told me, he was honest about, and everything that he told me, checked out. So far, the one thing that you're not telling me is not checking out. Because I'm going to tell you right now, what I told you that I was just going to do, I already had somebody do.
Boss man, you told me that. I understand.
So you think someone just put the picture of the backpack with you on it?
No, there's no, hell no. They can't be. No, not at all.
Exactly.
Not at all, boss.
Exactly. So why do I see you getting in that car on that video with a backpack?
It's not me, boss man.
It's not you. Then who the fuck is it?
Bro, that backpack was already there, boss man. Come on, boss man. How if you really saw me with that, like, that backpack has nothing to do with me. It has, like, I don't even know. The backpack, I told you, was a bag, and when I stepped on it, it felt like a hard thing, like you know how it was, like, it felt like a stiff thing, like, I'm not saying whatever was inside, but just whenever, because he had a whole mess in the floor. So when I pushed it in, you know, it felt like it kind of struggled, you know, like, what I'm trying to explain to you is, like, there was basically stuff like that, and the whole time I was like this, driving with him, the whole time, but I was leaning back. And that, like, boss man, I'm telling you.
All right.
I understand.
I'm not gonna. If you want to sit there, and lie to me, that's fine.
I just can't believe that. I can't believe that y'all for real. You say you did all this, boss man, and then you want to say that this is not. It's not. I did not get down with no backpack. I was in room 220, boss man. 220 at the far end upstairs. You drive in. As soon as you drive in, it's straight ahead, boss man. I was walking down there, boss man, at 11:30 o'clock today, boss man. I promise you, boss man, because I checked my phone whenever he came and picked me up.
All right. If that's what you want to stick with, man, I'll let you stick with what you want to stick with. Okay.
I can't believe my boy didn't took that rap, man. All right, boss. Appreciate you, man.
I forgot they clean up that work.
If you're curious why that little man was talking 1,000,000 miles per hour and saying boss man every 3 words, here you go. Man seems to be driving around with an iPhone box and a plastic baggie filled to the brim with pills. Why exactly you would put pills in an iPhone case is beyond me. That's like literally the first thing someone would steal. 10,000 IQ move. 30-year-old Jonathan Flores was arrested on 1 felony count of possession of a controlled substance. If convicted, he could face up to life behind bars. Maybe that's why he skipped out on court and has open warrants as of July 20th, 2023. Thanks for watching Texas Law Encounters. Your support makes this possible. If you want to see more police interactions, subscribe to the channel or become a member to get early access to new videos. See y'all in the next one.